In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use alternating colors in Google Sheets. This feature not only enhances the visual appeal of your spreadsheets, but also improves readability by making it easier to distinguish between rows. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to bring up your Google Sheet with the data you plan on formatting. It's best if you already have your data entered, but if not, you can practice on a blank sheet. Once you've got your sheet open, start by highlighting the range of cells where you want to apply this alternating color pattern. This could be an entire sheet or just a specific section, depending on your needs. Next, head over to the menu bar at the top of your screen and click on Format. This brings up a whole host of formatting options that can enhance your spreadsheet. Among these options, look for Alternating Colors. Go ahead and click it. What this does is open a sidebar on the right side of your screen that gives you multiple customization options for your color pattern. Now, in this sidebar, you'll see a variety of predefined color styles. But don't worry, you can adjust these to best fit your taste or adherence to any branding guidelines you might have. Simply select a style that catches your eye or matches your document's theme. Keep in mind that the first row often serves as a header, and you can choose a distinct color for this to differentiate titles from data entries. Scrolling down this menu, you'll also notice that you can further customize colors by clicking on the selected color pods. This is where you can bring a personal touch to your sheets. Whether you want subtle tones or a bright, contrasting palette, the choice is yours. Once you've made your selections and are satisfied with your design, you'll want to finalize these changes and apply them to your sheet. Simply scroll down in the same sidebar and find the Done button, nestled right there waiting to be clicked. Once you select it, your spreadsheet will immediately display these changes. And just like that, your data has a new, organized, and aesthetically pleasing look. That's it for today's tutorial. Using alternating colors not only livens up your Google Sheets, but also boosts functionality and readability. Remember that you can always return to the Format option to make any changes or fine-tune your color choices as your data evolves or your preferences change. Thanks for tuning in to learn how to spruce up your Google Sheets with alternating colors. If you found this helpful, be sure to share it with colleagues or clients who live in spreadsheets. Feel free to dive into the comments if you need further help or have any additional tips of your own to share regarding formatting magic in Google Sheets. Until next time, happy formatting!